Hello there, I'm Tuxtu Zarihun. This is my channel. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue today's lesson with one file directory structure. The directory structure is the way an operating system shows its system and other type of file to the computer user. Just we may not see the hierarchical tree structure inside the computer system, but the operating system have their own working systems. Files are typically displayed on a hierarchical tree structure. When you see the structure, it looks like a tree. Hence, the term hierarchical structure is to describe it. The first or top folder directory is the structure is called the root directory that consists of all the file. For instance, drives. If we connect a flash disk, the flash disk later drive is the root directory. We are using a computer with C drive. C drive is the root directory. A directory contained inside another directory is called subdirectory. We can consist a directory with another directory and we call it a subdirectory. The terms parent and child are often used to describe the relationship between the directory and subdirectory. In this example, the parent is the directory, the subdirectory is the child. The root directory contains all other folders in all files in the drive. For example, the root directory of the main partition on the computer is usually C:\\. The root folder of a DVD or CD DVD is D:. If there is no partition in the computer. A folder is a virtual location where programs, files, and other folders can be located. It helps us to manage our files easily. A folder is also called a directory in command prompt. What it seems the tree structure, hierarchical tree structure in command prompt. In DOS, let me show you here. Let me demonstrate you. Window plus letter R, it helps to display a run command, then type cmd plus enter key. Command prompt is opened. Dir helps us to display the directory. What about to observe the hierarchical structure? We use tree. Have you seen? Here is a hierarchical structure of this my PC. They are under the root directory C:, or the subdirectories. All the directories are under the root directory. The root directory is C, which is the parent, the root directory for all subdirectories. That there are parent and child inside type of tree hierarchical tree structure. In command rule, the operating system shows us in this type of operating software. Let me continue. 151. A path is a list of beginning. Here in figure 1.6, it shows us the root directory consists of two directories, the subdirectories 1, subdirectory 2. The other directory, again the subdirectory consists of file 1 and file 2. Under the subdirectory 1, there are file 3 and file 4 under subdirectory 2. Directory path or file path. What do you mean by a path? A path is a list beginning with a drive letter that tells which folder or open so that you can find a file or another folder. For instance, in a DOS, in command prompt, C:\users\. C is the root directory. Under the root directory, there is a users folder. Under user folder, there is a user account. Let me show you in graphical user interface using File Explorer. Here, File Explorer, then this PC, local DC, users here. Then the user account. Have you seen? Their content. Here on the address bar, this PC. Then in Windows operating systems, in current versions, / is changed by right arrow. This PC / local DC / users / the user account. This is the path. We call it the path. A path is a list beginning with a drive letter. It starts with a drive letter that tells which folders to open so that you can find a file or another folder. When a file system is organized as a directory tree, some way it is to specify the file names. We have two types of paths. The absolute path and the relative path. Before that, let me demonstrate the picture. I want to access the file click.mp3. To access the file, to locate this file, we may use the absolute path or we may use the relative path. In case of absolute path, it starts from the drive letter, the full path, the root directory, drive C, which is C:\\. Then users, Sarah, under Sarah there are folders, music, pictures, documents. Under music folder there is a file click.mp3. To access the file click.mp3, you need to follow the steps stated below. Types of directory paths. Absolute path. An absolute path represents the complete name of a directory or file from the root directory. When you say absolute path name, it is the complete name of a directory or file starting from the root directory or C drive. For instance, C:\user /Sarah/music, the file click.mp3. File name and file extension. File name is click, the extension name is .mp3. The subdirectory of user parent of music, here is subdirectory of parent of music, subdirectory. This is the parent for music. The subdirectory of C, parent of Sarah. The parent of Sarah is user. The slash is used to delimit names in a sequence. In today's version, we use the right arrow instead of using backslash. A relative path name. A path name first is a selection of file name starting from a specific directory or folder. It says, although the path name facilitates the selection of file name, it would be difficult for the user to have spell out the entire path name every time a reference is made to a file. Typically, an interactive user or process associated with current directory is often referred to as the working directory, as current directory. If you want to access the file click.mp3, you may use the folder. In short path, you may use the folder music or you may use the folder Sarah. It is not started from the drive letter or the root directory. Here, we may start from, for instance, if you want to access full file, you can start with user1 or you can start with home. It's not to start with root directory in case of relative path. Full path starting from the root directory. In case of relative path, it's the shortest path that saves our time. I think for today is enough. Thank you. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel.